How to slice a tuple in Python. Slicing a tuple uses the same slicing syntax from lists. Let's start out with a tuple T1 that contains 1 through 4. Just a refresher on how indices work in Python, 1 is at index 0, 2 is at index 1, and so on to the end of T1. Let's write T1 square brackets 1 colon blank. Then close the square brackets. What this is doing is giving us a slice of T1 that starts at the element at index 1, in this case 2, then goes to the end of the tuple. Next, let's write T1 square brackets 1 colon 3, then close the square brackets. What this is doing is giving us a slice of T1 that starts at index 1 and goes up to, but does not include index 3. So, a tuple containing 2 and 3. The important thing to remember about this notation is that the second number is always the first index to exclude, not the last index to include. Now for one last example, you can optionally provide a third number to the slicing syntax. If you provide no third number, it stays at 1. What this means is that the tuple steps through one element at a time and no element is skipped. For our last example, we will do T1 square brackets colon colon negative 1. What this is saying is to slice the tuple backwards. Start at the end of the tuple, then step towards the front. Meaning, this output would be a tuple starting at 4 and going down consecutively to 1. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.